हाय फ्रेंड्स, मैं आपका अपना डॉक्टर रोहित काकू, मधुसूदन क्लिनिक डोंबिवली से। सो फ्रेंड्स, आज हम बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक पे बात करने वाले हैं, दैट इज योगा आसनास फॉर डायबिटीज़। हर एक तरह से हम डायबिटीज़ से लड़ सकते हैं। सो डायबिटीज़ को टैकल करने के लिए कुछ योगा आसन है जो हमें हेल्प करेंगे ताकि हम अपनी डायबिटीज़ को बड़े बढ़िया से कंट्रोल कर सकें। सो आज इंपॉर्टेंट आसन की बात करने वाला हूँ मैं, जिसका नाम है वज्रासन।
For this, let's start by coming into a all fours position, shoulder and wrist in one line, hips and knee in one line. Now we'll slowly take the hips back and rest them on the heels. You can rest the back of the palms on the thighs, chin parallel to the floor, and to embrace this posture, simply close your eyes. Just take a few deep breaths here. As you sit in this posture, try to relax your body, relax your shoulders. We carry a lot of stress in our shoulders, try to relax them. Try to slowly relax your lower body. This posture aids digestion and reduce any stress that you are carrying. And now gently open your eyes and come out of the posture.
ये बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट आसन है, जिस आसन की मदद से बेसिकली हमारे पैनक्रियास एक्टिवेट होते हैं, इंसुलिन रिलीज होके अच्छे से डायबिटीज़ कंट्रोल हो सकता है। डाइजेस्टिव ऑर्गन्स के लिए ये आसना बहुत ही एक्सीलेंट है। स्पाइन स्ट्रेचिंग के लिए भी काफ़ी इफेक्टिव ये आसना है। डाइजेस्टिव हेल्थ, मेटाबॉलिज्म इंप्रूविंग, बहुत ही कमाल का ये आसन है। सो फ्रेंड्स, वज्रासन करके आप अपने डायबिटीज़ को अच्छे से कंट्रोल कर सकते हैं। सो अर्ध मत्स्येंद्र आसना।
After warming up our body, it's a great time to get into a deeper posture. So let's start with the right side. We'll take the right heel outside the left knee, and this time we'll take the left heel under the right hip. Press your knee, bring it closer. Just take a breath here and observe the gentle massage of your abdominal muscles. Try to observe your body. Do not shift your weight left or right. Make sure it's centralized. Now let's start the practice. Inhaling, raising the arms up, lengthening the spine. And exhaling, getting into the posture, taking the left elbow outside the right knee, joining both the palms in Namaste. Constantly opening the right shoulder, keeping the palms closer to the heart center. And with each passing moment, let's get deeper into our posture. This is a beautiful twist of the spine and also a good gentle massage on the abdomen. Continue to twist a little more. And now slowly, with the next inhalation, let's raise the arms up, lengthening the spine again. And as we exhale, we'll release the hands and we'll stretch the legs, coming back to the starting position.
ये एक ऐसा आसन है जिसके थ्रू हम अपने डाइजेस्टिव हेल्थ को बेटर रख सकते हैं। पैनक्रियास एक्टिवेशन में बहुत मदद करता है। डाइजेस्टिव हेल्थ के लिए बहुत एक्सीलेंट है। स्पाइन स्ट्रेचिंग भी बहुत इफेक्टिव होता है। मेटाबॉलिज्म इफेक्टिव रहता है। सो फ्रेंड्स, ये योगासना के थ्रू हम अपना डायबिटीज़ वेल कंट्रोल रख सकते हैं, मेटाबॉलिज्म एक्टिव रख सकते हैं और अपनी हेल्थ improve रख सकते हैं। फ्रेंड्स, वक्रासन।
So let's first sit on the sit bones, stretching the legs forward. Try to keep the knees straight, but if you're not comfortable, you can bend the knees as well. Point the toes towards your body. Try to get comfortable into this posture. And let's slowly start the twist. We'll take the right heel outside the left knee. Try to sit up straight. You can use both the palms. Bring the knee closer to the chest. And as you settle into this posture, let's start preparing for this posture. Let's raise the arms up as we inhale. And exhale, we'll take the left elbow outside the right knee, joining both the hands in Namaste and opening the right shoulder to the back side. Feel a gentle twist in your spine. And also feel a gentle massage of your internal abdominal organs. When you're holding this posture, continue to breathe. Be aware and observe the changes. And now slowly and gently inhale again, raising the arms up, lengthening the spine to come out of the posture. Lengthen, push your body up. And as you exhale, you can release the hands and release the leg. Now we'll start with the left side. Let's bring the left heel outside the right knee. Join the palms and try to press the knee closer to the chest. As you sit in this posture, observe the gentle compression on your abdomen. And with the next inhalation, let's raise the arms up, lengthening the spine. And exhale, taking the right elbow outside the left knee, twisting to the left side, both the shoulders in one line. Continue to twist. Your chin and shoulder in one line. Try to look back here. Sit on both your hips. Make sure weight is centrally distributed. Let's spend a few moments observing the changes in the body in this posture. Gentle abdominal massage is happening. Your body is opening into the twist a little more with each passing second. Just observe. Now slowly, with the next inhalation, inhale, raise the arms up, lengthen the spine. And as we exhale, let's release the hands and stretch the left leg. Come out of the posture.
बहुत ही इफेक्टिव आसन है ये, जिससे बॉडी की स्ट्रेचेबिलिटी इंप्रूव होती है, स्पाइन पोस्चर इंप्रूव होता है। डाइजेस्टिव हेल्थ इंप्रूव करने के लिए वक्रासन बहुत ही इफेक्टिव है। लीवर डिटॉक्स, किडनी डिटॉक्स एंड बेटर पैनक्रियास स्टिमुलेशन। सो ये आसन करके हम अपने डाइजेस्टिव हेल्थ, बेटर डायबिटीज़ कंट्रोल, बेटर मेटाबॉलिज्म पे फोकस कर सकते हैं। सो फ्रेंड्स, इसी तरह से वक्रासन करिए और अपनी हेल्थ को बेटर रखिए, अपने डायबिटीज को बेटर कंट्रोल करिए। वीरभद्रासन।
Now we'll move on to Warrior 1, Veerbhadra Asana. For this, let's widen the legs. Pointing the right toe to the front and left toe slightly inwards. Now from here, we'll turn the torso to the front. And as we inhale, we'll bring the front knee, bring it above the ankle and raise the arms up. Hands together. Feel like a warrior here. Feel your body working, legs are working. Let's take one more breath here. Embrace the changes. And with the next exhalation, let's straighten the knee and relax the hands. We'll practice the same from the other side. This time we'll bring the left foot forward, right foot back. The left toe is pointing forward, right toe slightly back, torso turning towards the front. With the next inhalation, let's bend the front knee, bring it above the ankle and raise the arms up. Palms together. The beauty of warrior is the strength and balance it brings. Just try to observe it. Let's be here for one more breath. Take a deep inhalation. And with the next exhalation, we can straighten the front leg and release the hands and come out of the posture.
ये बहुत ही इफेक्टिव आसन है जिसके थ्रू हम अपने कार्डियक हेल्थ का ध्यान दे सकते हैं। इसके थ्रू हमारे स्पाइन स्ट्रेचेबिलिटी होगी, शोल्डर मोबिलिटी इम्प्रूव करने में हेल्प करता है, बेटर डायबिटीज़ कंट्रोल में हेल्प करता है। सो वीरभद्र आसन करके हम अपने डायबिटीज़ को अच्छे से कंट्रोल कर सकते हैं। चेस्ट एक्सपांशन इम्प्रूव करता है, रेस्पिरेटरी हेल्थ के लिए बहुत ही इफेक्टिव है। दैट इज अ मलासना।
Let's come to a standing position. You can stand on the mat. Keep your feet a little more than shoulder width apart. Try to centralize your body weight again and slowly take a deep inhalation and join your hands together. As we exhale, we'll sink the hips down, knees out, and completely relax your pelvic. It's a beautiful posture for releasing any gas, constipation, any kind of digestive disorders. Just sitting in this posture can aid your digestion. Also very good to release any stress you're carrying in your lower body. Let's observe the beautiful effect of Malasana. Feel your body relaxing. Now very gently and slowly let's come out of the posture, pressing the feet. With the next inhalation, let's stand tall. And exhalation, release your hands, coming back to the starting position.
मलासना डाइजेस्टिव हेल्थ बहुत अच्छे से इम्प्रूव करता है, हेल्थ के लिए बहुत इफेक्टिव है, स्पाइनल हेल्थ के लिए बहुत इफेक्टिव है, लोअर बॉडी एक्सरसाइज के लिए बहुत इफेक्टिव है। सो मलासना करके हम अपने डाइजेस्टिव हेल्थ को इम्प्रूव कर सकते हैं। यूरिनरी ट्रैक्ट जैसे कि किडनी के लिए बहुत इफेक्टिव है ये आसना। तो फ्रेंड्स, ये आसना करके हम अपने डाइजेस्टिव हेल्थ को बहुत ही इफेक्टिव रख सकते हैं। लोअर बॉडी मसल स्ट्रेचिंग के लिए बहुत ही इफेक्टिव ये आसन है। सूर्य नमस्कार।
Joining the feet together, knees together, toes together, keeping the hands together in Pranam Asana. Let's begin. Take a deep inhalation, pushing the navel away, raise the arms up in Ardha Chakrasana. Gaze slightly up, try to take your hands back, feel your back working. And exhale, full forward fold. Uttan Asana, fingertips in line with your toes, look towards your toes. You can keep your knees straight or bend, whatever is okay for you. If you're comfortable, forehead relaxed towards the shin. Let's be here for a few seconds, observe the changes and the reverse blood flow in the body. Now inhale, we'll take the right leg back, back knee down to Ashwasanchalan. Chest connected to the knee, chin slightly up. Feel a good stretch in your pelvic here. And exhale, we'll tuck the right toe, take the left leg back to plank position. Full body parallel to the floor, shoulder and wrist in one line, core engaged. Now slowly inhale, take a deep breath in plank here. And exhale, slowly put the knees down and chest between the palms to Ashtanga Namaskar. Your chin, chest, palms, knees and toes touching the floor here. This is a very good posture for improving hormonal health, especially your thyroid health. Now slowly inhale from the front, relax your toes and sliding up to Bhujangasana. Make sure you're not shrugging your shoulders, shoulders are rolled back. Elbows can be straight or bent. Observe your back working, observe the changes in your body here. And now exhale, tuck the toes, knees back, hip up to Parvatasana, mountain posture, body making a beautiful V posture. Try to keep your heels down. You can bend your knees if you'd like. Look towards your toes, go deeper. And now inhale, bringing the right foot forward between your palms to Ashwa Sanchalan again. Back knee down, back to relaxed. Chin up, look forward. Feel a good stretch in your pelvic. And as you exhale, tuck the left toe again, bring it forward in between your palms to Uttanasana, fingertips and toes in one line. Relaxing the forehead, taking the forehead to the shin. Go deeper, allow your body to surrender. You can bend your knees if you'd like. Now very slowly inhale. Lengthening the spine, raising the arms up, pushing the navel away to Ardha Chakrasana. And exhale, bringing the hands to the heart center and slowly release and relax your hands.
सूर्य नमस्कार, हम सब जानते हैं इसके बारे में। सो ये योगासन बहुत ही इफेक्टिव है। हेल्प्स टू बूस्ट द मेटाबॉलिज्म, हेल्प्स इन डाइजेस्टिव हेल्थ, हेल्प्स इन फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी, हेल्प्स इन द स्पाइन पोस्चर। बहुत ही इफेक्टिव है फ्रेंड्स, आप ट्राई कर सकते हैं। इस आसन को करने से आपकी स्पाइन फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी बहुत ही इफेक्टिवली इंप्रूव होती है, आपकी हेल्थ इंप्रूव होगी, मेटाबॉलिज्म इंप्रूव होगा, इम्यूनिटी इंप्रूव होगी। सो ये आसन करके हम अपने डायबिटीज़ को बेटर कंट्रोल कर सकते हैं। फॉलो अस फॉर मोर सच आसन्स. Madhusudan Multi Specialty Hospital is always there to guide you. Thank you, friends.